Here is a quick video on how to use Google Communities, since this is going to be a place that we're going to post our updates for Trojan Elementary. Everyone should receive an email link that will look something like this. When you get that link to join the community, you're going to just click that link. It should bring you up to this screen. I am already on here, so it should ask you to go ahead and log in with your USD 367 email. That is going to be the only way that you can log in by doing that. Once you are in here, you can see on the side over here that there is quite a few options of discussions and things that you can look for information. Right now we don't have a lot in there. I'm going to go ahead and put something in there so you can kind of see how to do that and what it looks like. Right now, if you see, here's the check mark. That just shows that all postings are up and running and available, that you can see within those discussion areas. But if you wanted to just look at one topic, you could, and you would just click on that topic, and then you would be able to see that information there. Or if Dr. Samuels posted an update, you could see it there. So here this morning, she just posted this email that she sent out this morning right here. So if it gets lost in your email, you can just come here, and she's going to put those up daily. So discussions, if there's something that we wanted to post, or you wanted to post about a discussion and you had a question about, this would be a place that you could put it. The frequently asked questions, we'll go ahead and probably get that updated later today with that. A thing that I'm going to put up today is just a planning resource. This was just something that I did for myself yesterday, because I know that some of my kids did not take home their logins, so I created this form for logins. So I'm going to go ahead and just share or upload this. So if I wanted to upload something here, I'm just going to put student login template, and then I'm going to go ahead and you can add a picture, add a link, do a poll, or add from your Google Drive. I'm going to add it from my Google Drive. On this, yes, they can see it and preview it if it's in your drive. Just make sure that you're just doing a shared information from that. So I'm just going to search that template, and I found it. And so there is the template that I'm going to post. And when you hit post here, you have to pick a category. So make sure that you just pick a category that you feel like it's appropriate. So for me, I'm just going to put it for planning resources. And that way you guys can go in and print this off if you want. Once it is posted, then if you wanted to use it, you could go in and click on it. I just did this one so I could put in my students' logins and passwords and put their name up here. And that way each student, I can just print this off or copy it and send it to them via Bloom so that they have it. We'll go back into here. Now you can see, if I look here on all posts, it shows Dr. Samuel's update here, but it also shows where I posted this. So you can look at all posts and it shows everything that's been posted in one day, or you can look at each individual category. So that's just a quick overview of how you make a post once you've been added. So hopefully that will help. Thanks.